Welcome to our channel today. Today we draw and color kiwi sketches. A big circle. And then a big body. Kiwi center stripe. Paint a cute face. Ripple on the edge. Some seeds. Drawing a kiwi bird. Draw the second one. Great big body too. Eyes. Mouse. And then a big blush. Lots of birds on it. Okay, now the simple diagram is complete. Let's start stroking and bolding. Woo! It's done. Now let's color. Greener. Light green. Pornographic. Pink blush. Yellow olive. Brown eye. Powdered with makeup. White pupils. Our work is done. It's beautiful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.